The blue-ringed octopus, a marvel of the ocean's depths, is both enchanting and deadly. Despite its small size, it packs a potent neurotoxin that can paralyze and kill within minutes. Found in the waters of the Indo-Pacific, its vibrant blue rings serve as a warning, signaling its lethal potential. The blue-ringed octopus is a testament to nature's ingenuity, showcasing the beauty and danger that coexist beneath the waves. Its presence reminds us of the need to appreciate and protect the fragile ecosystems of our oceans, where even the tiniest creatures play a vital role in the intricate web of life.